Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I have a really quick share that I want to show you today. It's part of things that I'm just finding in my stash that easy to assemble that I can add to my ready-made stash of cards. This I believe I received from the expo probably last year. And I'm getting ready to go again. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I'm getting ready to go to Expo again next week. And so this would just be a good time to start clearing out some of my things in my craft room to make room for more. I'm just showing you the pieces that came with this. I want to say this is probably one of the make and takes that we had. I think. I think it was. But anyway, I am going to play you some music and let you watch me assemble. I have the same kit, but I assemble them two different ways. Well, they're kind of the same, but stay tuned. Enjoy the show. hope you enjoyed watching this card come together. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!